Hey everyone, welcome back to Moving Studio. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a smooth and professional logo animation for Google. I will walk you through each step so you can fully understand how to bring any logo to life using Alight Motion. So, without further ado, let's get started. Welcome back. Now the first thing to do is to create a new project. Alright, click the plus icon, then rename it to logo animation. Alright, then create project, then let's bring in a white background, color white. Now this is the Google logo, as you can see. Alright, now from static I animate this logo to to this, and this is the behind the scene. Yeah, so can you see now? Here's the behind the scene. So everything was created here in Alight Motion. So that's what I want to show you now. Now to create this logo animation, we'll be using just one tool, which is vector drawing. That's the tool we want to use to create this animation. Now click on the plus icon here. So when you click on the plus icon here, you're going to see vector drawing at the right side. So click on vector drawing. Then to animate this, we're going to illustrate each word one after the other. So I'm going to illustrate G, then illustrate O, then G, L and E. Now let's illustrate G. A dot here, another one here, another one here. Alright, so let me zoom out very well so that you can see. So keep adding dots, another one here and another one here. So remove the stroke, remove the fill here. So to remove the fill, you click on this icon here, this one here. Alright, as you can see. So click on it like this. Now click here, do it this way, this one too like this. Alright, then do it like this. So this one too, just raise it up like this. Now this one too, for you to illustrate only this one, because if I click on this this line now, the two will move together, the two line will move together. So if you want to control just one, if you want to control only this one without controlling the two together, then I'll click on this one here, and I'm going to click here, this one here. So this one is like pause. So I'm going to pause this. So this one will not move, only this one will move. So click here like this, click here, click this one here, then do this way. So only this one will move like this. Alright, as you can see. Now this one too here like this. So this one too. Alright. Now this one as well. Can you see? Now after doing this, then now come here and turn on the stroke, then increase the size like this. As you can see now, it just increase the size like this. So let's reduce opacity to see if the illustration is perfect. As you can see here. So let's see if the illustration is perfect. Alright, it's perfect. Now after doing the illustration, the next thing you now do is you copy this Google. So now let's count this Google word: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you will duplicate this Google layer 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright. So after doing that, you now hide it. So now take this one down here. Now after doing this way, then you click on this first one, the second one like this. Alright, and you will now click here to merge the two together. you click here, this icon here, to merge the two together. So click on it like this. As you can see, you have merged the two together. Can you see? Now click on edit group. Alright, so we want to animate now. So we're going to animate this illustration we did using the vector drawing. So to animate it, you click on effects, click on add effects, then click on drawing progress. Alright, so click on drawing an edge, then you click on drawing progress. So click on it, click on standard settings here. Alright, then add a keyframe here. So now we'll be using n. Alright, so add a keyframe at 0 seconds, then another keyframe at 2 seconds. Now go back to the first keyframe, then click on end. So now take it down. Can you see? Take it down like this. Now can you see now? So add easing curve like this. Now can you see? But then the 9 has this rounded shape. You can see very well. It has like a rounded shape like this. Let me zoom out very well so you can see it has a rounded shape like this, and we don't want that. So click on this one here, this one. Alright, so just tap on like this. Now let's see. Can you see? Oh, nice. So that's how to do the first one. Now you are done with the first one. Can you see? You are done with it now. So now to change the color, you just duplicate this one to 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now so you pick color from this one here. Alright, now click on the first one here, then pick this color. So to change the color, click on effects, click on add effects, then click on solid color. Right, click on color and light, then scroll down and click on solid color, this one here. Alright, click on it, then click on standard setting here. Alright, then pick this color, the first one. So all the color is here. Alright, so now after doing this way, click on this second one too, click on add effects. This one we're using solid color is because I want to change the color, alright, to the Google color. Now click on the solid color again, this one, click on it again. Alright, then pick the color, pick the next color, this one, pick it. Can you see? Pick it here. Then the next one here again, solid color. Alright, so pick the green color. Alright, then the last one again, solid color. Then you now pick this color. Alright, like this. Now let's see. Let's hide this one. Now let's see. Oh, the color did not change. Oh, sorry. Should I do it like this? Okay, the color change like this. Then the last one should be this one. Now let's do that. So after you have changed the color one by one, then you now arrange them like this. So this one will come first, then followed by this, then this one, then this one, then this one. Now let's see. Can you see what we just did? Can you see the logo animation we just create now? Can you see? Yeah, so that's how to do it. So you are done with the first one. Alright, the first one is set now. So let me change the color to black so I can see very well. Now can you see? So the first one is done. Alright, now let's animate the second one. So we just repeat the same process, the same style. Alright, so to animate the second one as well, we will use vector drawing. Alright, this one here. So zoom out very well so I can animate it. Then once you illustrate the circle again, so a keyframe here, another one here, another one here, and the last one here. So remove the stroke, remove the fill. Alright, then come back to this vector drawing again. Now click on this one, then change it to rounded. So for you to change to rounded, you click on this icon here, this one here, tap on it, once it's rounded, this one to rounded, this one to rounded, and the last one rounded. Can you see? Now let's do it this way. So we use 4 dots. Now let's increase the stroke. change it to, but then the circle is not well, illustrated, so it doesn't do it. Just play around with the drawing tool for you to get it. Though when doing this, it takes time to illustrate the circle. Alright, so just take your time and do it. So now let's zoom it now. So but for the sake of this tutorial, I'll not waste much of our time, so I can't do it properly. Alright, so I'll just show you the way I did it. Then if you want to create your own, you can now try to illustrate it very well. So after doing this way, the next thing now is to do this, repeat the same style. Alright, so take it down like this, then match both this illustration and the Google logo together. Alright, like this. Can you see? So after doing this way, then just repeat the same style. Click on shape, click on effects, then scroll down, click on drawing an edge, then click on drawing progress. Yeah, can you see? Then end. So just repeat the same style, then a keyframe here, keyframe at 2 seconds. So I use 2 seconds throughout the logo animation. 2 seconds like this. Can you see? So that's how to. So I just add this in curve. Then the rounded shape here, I don't want it, so how will I change it? I'll come to stroke. Can you see? So I want to change this rounded to straight. So I'll just click here, click on this one here, this one, you see, so like this. Can you see? Now can you see? So that's how to do it. So the same style again. So I will duplicate this circle 4 times. One, this is what I want to duplicate it 4 times is because the Google has 4 colors. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I want to use all the 4 colors, which means I need to duplicate the layers 4 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So just click on the first circle here, click on solid color, then change it to this one. Alright, then so I'll just copy the solid color to save time, then paste here. So I'll just change the color, so I'll click on yellow, then the next one again paste, click on green, then the last one is red. So I don't need to change this one, you get. So now let's do it this way. So this one, can you see what we just did? Can you see the animation? Can you see how smooth it is? Yeah, so the next one, so instead of illustrating this circle again, so what I did is that I merged this first one together, 1, 2, 3, 4, and merge them together like this. Then I make a duplicate. Alright, so then I make it here like this, alright, then I do it this way, as you can see here now can you see? So I duplicate it like this, but then I now change the color because the next color is yellow, not red. So after grouping it now, then I click on edit group. So I come back here to change it to yellow, not red. Alright, red, not red. Then I change the first one because first one is the second one is, I'll change this one to red. You get. So now let's see. Can you see? Nice. Now the next one as well, G. So I will use the vector drawing tool again. So bring in the tool, then the illustration will start from here. Alright, a dot here, another one here, then another dot here as well, this one too here. Alright, then I'm going to remove the fill like this. Can you see? Nice. So after doing this way like this, then I'm going to, so instead of adding points, I'm going to create 2 contour. We have 1 contour here, so I'm going to add another one to create this rounded G. So click on add contour here, then I will add one here, another one here, another one here, and another one here. Can you see? Then I'll click here, rounded, this one to rounded like this. Can you see? So I'll do this way like this. Alright, So that's how I did it. So after doing this way, the next thing I will do now is that I'm going to come to border. Alright, so increase it like this. Can you see? So like this. Now I don't like the rounded G, so I'll click on the layer, then click here. Alright, so I'll just increase it rounded a bit. Now after doing this way, then I'm going to merge together the same method throughout. The same method, there's nothing new. Click here, then I'll click on the middle icon here to merge both together like this here. You get, then click on this one here, add effects here. I'll click on end. Can you see? So add a keyframe here and a keyframe at 2 seconds. So make sure, if you want to create your own logo animation and you use 1 second, make sure you use 1 second throughout the animation. Don't use 1 second here and the next one you use 2 seconds, the next one you use 3 seconds. The animation will not match, will not flow together. So make sure you are consistent. So if you use 2 seconds, make sure you use 2 seconds from the beginning to the end. Don't use 1 second, 2 seconds. As you can see that I use 2 seconds throughout the animation. So like this. So now I'm going to add a keyframe here. Can you see? Nice. So now doing this way, I'll just come back here again. The same method throughout. So I'll just click on this one here and duplicate it 4 times because I want to change the color 4 times here. Then the first one here, as you can see here, so the first one here, I'll just click on. So I will paste the solid color, paste it. Then this one red. Then the next one is going to be paste. And the next one will be going to be yellow. Then the third one, alright, is going to be green, and the last one is going to be blue. Yeah, blue. So now just do this way, like this. Can you see? Nice. So that one is done as well. So it should remain just 2. This 9. So this one too again, just bring in the vector drawing 2 here like this. So a dot here and that dot here like this. You see? Then like this. Now click here. Can you see? So then bring it here again. So I'll just merge it together again, the same method. Alright, so merge the 2. Alright, so after merging together like that, then I'll click here, click on effect again, click on drawing progress, then a keyframe here, another keyframe at 2 seconds. Don't forget 2 seconds. If you want to create your own, you can use 1 second. Alright, if you want. So just take it up like this. Alright, then I'll add using curve. You get. So this one, so I'll just duplicate this one to 4 times to change the color 3, 4. So the first one here, I'll click on, just paste the solid color, paste to save time. So I'll use blue. The next one here I'll use red. Then the next one I'll use yellow. Then the last one here I'm going to use, I'll use blue, green. Now let's arrange them together. So this one will come first, followed by this and this. Now I'll merge, click on the 3 together like this, 1, 2, 3, then control them like this. So this one will follow, then this one will follow. Can you see? Yeah. Then the last one, this E. So just zoom out like this. The same method. Alright. So click on this plus icon, click on vector drawing 2, then do this way. Just illustrate the E. Alright. Like this, like this, like this, and like this. Now remove the fill, click here, then turn on the stroke like this, here like this. So if you are learning something new and you are enjoying this tutorial, do not forget to hit the like button and leave a comment below. Also, let me know if you have any questions about this process, and I'll be happy to help. Now do it this way. Then I don't like this rounded stuff. Alright, so pick here again. Then this one like this, this one too like this. You get? So do it this way, this one too, do it this way. Like so, this one rounded too, this one too rounded. Alright, then this one just doing like this. Though it takes time, alright, so you just need to take your time and illustrate it very well. This one as well. Now that doing this way, just increase the stroke like that. Now that doing this way, just come here now and merge the two together. 1, 2, merge. Can you see? Then come here, click on add effects, click on drawing progress. Alright, then click on end, doing like this. Can you see? Then add the dot here, and another keyframe at 2 seconds. Then take it up like this. Can you see this? Though the illustration is not well done, as you can see these edges, but I can't do well because of the time. Alright, so if you want to create your own, make sure you illustrate the letter E very well. Alright, so that's why. Now duplicate this one too 4 times, because we have 4 colors we want to use 4 times. Then the first one here, I'm going to use I'll just place this solid color to save time. This one blue, nice. Then followed by this one. I'm going to use yellow. Then this one I'm going to use green. Alright, now this one will come first, this one will followed by this, followed by this. Then click on the 4 of them like this. Then get here like this. Can you see? Alright, nice. So that's how to to create a logo animation using vector drawing tool. Now let's see what we just did. Can you see how beautiful it is? Can you see the amazing animation we did? Yeah, so that's how I create the Google logo animation. Then if you watch the animation, you notice that I changed the color from white to black. I mean the background color. So why would I do that? I click on the layer here, then I add the keyframe here, another keyframe here, then I change the second keyframe to black. Can you see? Now let's see. Yeah, so that's how I do it. So that's it for today's tutorial, and I hope you found this helpful and you learned something new. Remember, before you can gain mastery using this Alight Motion or gain mastery as a motion designer, you need to practice, because consistent practice leads to perfection. So if you practice every day, you practice, you not relent, you keep practicing, then trust me, you will get to the top. Alright, now before you go, I want to let you know about my motion design course. So if you want to learn how to create smooth animation, you want to learn how to create explainer videos, UI animation, promotional videos for brands, and you will earn multiple 6 figures, then this course is what you need. So click the link in the description to enroll now. Alright, so thank you so much for watching. Keep creating, and I will see you in the next video.